45 to 61. The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado until 2:30 p.m. At 1:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Peyton, or 23 miles northeast of Colorado Springs, moving southeast at 5 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ellicott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Significant weather